Example of birds. Albatrosses. Largest wingspan of all birds. Some grow to over 4 feet tall. Albatrosses stay airborne most of the time. Albatrosses have an excellent sense of smell and sight. Just one baby at a time, and both parents raise their young. Chicken. Chickens have a squat and rounded appearance. Chickens are one of the most common and widespread domestic animals. Hummingbird. Smallest migrating bird. Hummingbirds have tongues that are grooved like the shape of a W. Hummingbirds are attracted to all bright colors, although red is most prominently associated with these tiny birds. Falcon. Falcons are birds of prey in the genus Falco, which includes about 40 species. Falcons are widely distributed on all continents of the world except Antarctica. Though closely related raptors did occur, they're in the Eocene. Parrot. Parrots are intelligent birds. They have relatively large brains. They can learn, and they can use simple tools, because some species have the ability to make sounds like human voices, and have plumages with bright colors. Many species are kept as pets. This includes some endangered and protected species. Thanks for watching.